Step number 6 is about welcoming your new employee, and his first day would be his orientation day. Regardless of your employee's position, his first day should be his orientation day, on which he will get to understand the company's culture, his job description, and the work environment. Give him a brief tour of your company. Tell him about operations, specifically those operations which are under his domain. Let him meet with staff members, seniors and junior. Allow him to make himself comfortable with his job and related people. You need to make sure that he receives a very positive impression from surroundings. Guide him especially about these three things: policies, processes, and people of his domain. I'm not expecting that he will understand everything on first day, but at least he will grasp a picture of what is going on inside your company. I have seen in many companies that newly hired employees are moved directly to their work area without having the slightest of idea about the work environment and related people. And even after weeks, they don't get familiar with those people who are linked with his job description. Tell the new employee about HR policies. Give him a policy manual where he may find information regarding casual leaves, annual leaves, dress code, salary, bonus, and other policies. Also tell him about expectations from his job. He should know his goals on this job. He should be fully aware of his role domain. He must be aware of the set expectations from him. It is very discomforting for new employee who don't know the expectation level of their bosses. If they know what goals are to be achieved to make their superiors happy, then they can direct their efforts to make that happen. This is about the 6 steps for onboarding new employees. If you have any questions, you can ask in Q&A section.